Hello everyone, hope you all had a great Easter Sunday. So what's in for today? Blackout. This activity for me is more like a word game where you can find looking for words that connect, and you could come out with a great poem or a one-liner, or even frame up a question that's thought-provoking. Here, let me show you an example. This being my travel journal has one of them from my travels to my hometown in Kerala, India. Yep, these are from there. Yeah, so growing up as kids, we used to see a lot of fireflies at night, and now we hardly find them. So Dad had told me why so, and here it is. 20 years ago, cell phones, nobody used them. So, and there are two paragraphs where I blacked them out. I hope you can see the black and gray trees that I've drawn, and in the space between the paragraph I wrote in my question, where are the fireflies? So yeah, 20 years ago, cell phones, nobody used them. You'll see that in honeybees and the other tiny bugs as well. So let me read out to you what I found today. Yep, it is. You realize that burn, you can find the damn silence, because she gets more resentful by the moment as her home has seen nothing but bad times for the last 50 years. Let me mark it up. Let me mark it dark. You realize that burn, you just for blackout, you darken out what you found out, making it stand out. You can find the damn silence because she gets more resentful by the moment as her, what's one sentence over here, home has seen nothing but bad times for the last 50 years. Right? Okay, now I have to get out the corona in here. Put a light sketch so that it gets easier and I don't take so much time. There. Here. That's this character that has taken over the planet. Yes, so that's, now I'm not going to black out, but I will make it blue. So finally just get this all in here so that I can read them out. I'm using pastels here. Get into the spaces over here. because you want to see the corona out. You're seeing the ones that are standing out, the words that are standing out, as well as the corona. So corona has to be given, I'm planning to give red color, blue in there. Yeah. Well, at this time, I think we can only be counting our blessings and just be more grateful for where we are right now. We are safe at home, healthy and happy with our loved ones. We have food to eat, we have shelter, we have our roofs overhead, and well, just hope and pray that everything gets well and keep everyone safe. That's all we can do now. Yes, okay. It's good to spread it out so that you don't get into the in the markings that you have marked into the words. Yeah. And spread it out and you can get the color out. You can either leave it this way, but in order to see this one standing out, you need a bit of red. So let's color corona red. That's what we see. It's good to say, good to know, I mean, see that you don't mark other words, because this will be mistaken to connect with these. So color them as well, or make them into a different color, or go for rounds into the empty spaces. Don't catch any words there. So this makes it stand out. I think you can leave them there. Let me just see how this looks. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah. And yeah. So there's a she here. She. Corona is referring to a planet. Home. Her home. We have done a lot of damage to this home. So let me just spread it out. By mistake I got into she. Let me bring it out as well. Use an eraser. There. Yeah, so where have I gone by mistake? Over here, her and she. Yeah. I think that's good. I hope you can read it again. I'll read it out again. You realize that burn. You can find the damn silence, because she gets more resentful by the moment. Her home, as her home has seen nothing but bad times for the last 50 years. So that's what Corona is talking. So do let me know your feedback and comments. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.